This is Cindra with Abundance on behalf of Expert Village, and we're talking this evening about accessories. One of the questions that we get a lot is, I'm going on a trip, I only want to pack a carry-on. How can I manage a 3 or 4 day trip with only one bag? One of the tricks of the trade is really accessories. So you have basic black. You take your basic black pieces that go from casual to dressy, and you accessorize. One of the accessories here is actually a jacket. Very lightweight, easy to carry, takes up no room in your carry-on bag. So you have brought in some color. You've got basic black with some color, so again, easy packing, easy travel. And the accessories that go with the jacket are necklaces, which in this case give a wonderful vertical line. We've layered the necklaces, which is not only trendy, but it's actually very flattering because, again, you're taking the eye from top to bottom. Okay? So you have a short necklace paired with a long necklace that's the same color as the jacket. Very flattering, very easy, and works great for travel.